Liverpool and Chelsea. You people have decided not to move forward in this life. Birds of the same feathers that flocks together. Eh? They battle for the top 4 and you people are playing this nonsense called football. What is this? Brighton beating Liverpool 2-1. Everton beating Chelsea 3-1. Now Chelsea won. I dey pity for Chelsea fans though, because this match is not matching for them at all. They have been losing back to back from Champions League to Premier League. They have just been losing up and down. But that one is their own cup of tea. I'm here to talk about Liverpool. Yesterday match versus me where okay, Ekitike got injured. They removed that nigga, and the only person that came to your mind as a coach to put inside the field is Curtis Jones, that is a midfielder. Whereas Ekitike is a striker. Then if you look at our bench, we have Ngumoha, we have Kiesa. And you didn't see any of these two people to put, so that our attack go dey a little bit strong. It's Jones. Yesterday match versus me. He versus me, Sha. He versus me. Liverpool. This thing should do fast. Board should do fast and know what they do to this and his slot coach. He's just messing up our prestige. You understand? On also a guy nana and Odoroma that na oyedikata na no bia oyedikote na efere olibeze na na onwe ka odi. We are the champions, for God's sake. The thing they pay me